Bless up, bless down on Mastermind statements. New YouTubers, this is why you should keep on posting. Keep posting even if nobody's watching. Let's go. So my goal in particular is that I'm posting 100 videos. That's my goal. I'm going to post 100 long form videos. I've already posted over 100 short form videos, the short videos, the quick videos that go by pretty quickly. But my goal now is to post 100 long form videos. There are some benefits to me personally posting 100 long form videos. My main goal is that this is practice for me before I get onto the smaller and longer stages, actually the time in between me getting onto the smaller and larger stages. So if I'm not on stage, I'm recording, I'm practicing, uploading pretty much every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So what I do is I'm pretty much recording Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 3 videos a day. So Monday is 3 videos, Tuesday 3 videos, Wednesday 3 videos, Thursday 3 videos, Friday 3 videos. I'm recording a total of 3 videos every single day, but I'm uploading them and scheduling them for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The other goal with that is at some point I'm going to go back in and I'm going to stagger them in so that I'm also posting on Tuesday and Thursday. So Monday through Friday is my goal to post. So I would say to any new YouTuber, this is your time to practice before you get a lot of eyes on you. Just start practicing, just start uploading, press record and start uploading. You'll find out that eventually people will go back and watch your old videos. But for right now, this is your time to shine, to get comfortable, to make mistakes, because you don't want to have a lot of eyes on you and then you're still fumbling through. So what I'm doing again is I'm recording 100 videos total. That's just my baseline. I'm going to record 100 videos. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to continue to record. And by the time I have 100 videos scheduled out for a few months, I'm going to go back in and start staggering in my videos to fill in the gaps for Tuesday and also Friday. I want my videos out there. I want my face out there. I want my messaging out there for people to learn about mindset. So my channel is about mindset and how you can look at your subconscious mind. You can take it back to childhood and you can figure out the way and why you move as an adult. Okay, that's the first starting point. So my messages are timely because every single day we're encountering good experiences and bad experiences, adverse experiences and great experiences. So with mindset, you got to be able to adjust. You got to be able to maneuver through what life is, given to us. And so as older adults, this is the best time too. If you're a new YouTuber, you're an older adult, you have a lot of wisdom, you have a lot of knowledge, you have a lot of experience. This is the time. Everybody's saying this is the time to get on YouTube. Imagine if we would have got on YouTube during COVID when people were really watching social media pretty heavily. At this point, we'd have a whole lot more eyes on us. But guess what? You've got to start now. Don't wait until 2025. Don't wait until January. Record your first video and get it uploaded. Don't waste no time. This is our time to shine. Even right now, I'm gonna take a drink of water, because guess what? Somebody might see this video, somebody might not see it, but I'm gonna keep it real. This is what I do. If I'm thirsty, I'm recording, I don't wanna look crazy, I'm gonna drink something. Look, get some water in there and gonna keep moving, right? So my goal is to become a better speaker. So again, with me uploading videos and recording videos 3 times a day, what's going to happen is that when I get onto those stages again, my speaking is going to be on point because all I'm doing is speaking. I'm taking it seriously like a job. This is just me. I like to calibrate. I like to make sure that things are on point. I like to do things, in a professional manner. So for me, this is practice. There's no reason for me to get booked to go speak on a stage and not be well rehearsed or well versed. So for me, this is the best way to do it because now I'm able to look at my videos and go back and watch them. There's another reason for uploading videos too is that, these are videos that my family could watch. Let's say something happened to me at some point. They're able to go back and figure out, man, this is what he's been talking about. This is who he was at this particular stage. And this is history. This is historical accounts of myself day to day, what my thoughts were currently at that particular time in history. There's so many reasons for you to get on YouTube. If you're good at doing something, get on YouTube. Let other people know what you have to offer. You never know what that'll turn into. You could turn that into a coaching calls. You could turn that into mentorship. I've seen one guy, he's in a different lane. He literally just goes and unlocks people's cars and, you know, cut some key right there on the spot. His channel blew up, you know. So now he's also getting another source of revenue because he could be monetized, you know, and he's showing, and that's another way for him to advertise his business. So you got to look at that from all type of standpoints, you know, figure out what you're really doing on YouTube. What are your goals? It's almost like you have to have like a just do like a 1-page business plan. Just do something so simple. Get on Canva, find a business plan template. Just make it simple, something that can hold you accountable. In quarter 1, these are your goals. Quarter 2, here's your goals with YouTube. Quarter 3, your goals with YouTube. Quarter 4, your goals with YouTube. Because you want to take things seriously. You don't want to be wasting your time, because it takes time to record. It takes time to edit. It takes time to upload. You want to make sure that you're taking it seriously. You don't want to be the people that start and stop their channels. I'm sure a lot of those people are regretting starting and stopping their channel. They know that they started 4 years ago. They could be way ahead of the game right now and what they're trying to accomplish. Again, like I was saying before, one of the benefits that I found was that for me to just be uploading consistently and all the time is that now I have all this knowledge in my toolbox. It's almost like when I talk to people in person now, I'm actually reciting one of the videos that I previously uploaded and recorded. So it's like I'm not missing a beat. I'm able to give people the information that they need. So in the mindset field, I've got to be able to respond to what people are feeling at that time and what they need. And so by me recording so many videos and just being prepared, it's really just, it's crazy because it sits in my subconscious mind. So it's not like I'm thinking about all my videos. I just noticed that when someone asks me a question, I respond. It's like my brain just quickly goes and just pulls out that library of that particular video, and I give them that information like it's nothing, just right on spot, and it sounds great. And it's like I'm just reciting the same exact word for word video. And this is what it's about. You should always be ready to respond. If I'm on here talking about mindset, I should be ready to respond like this. I'm up here, you know, if I'm on YouTube and I'm an artist, if I see somebody in person, when I say artist, like if somebody's like an illustrator, you know, they draw, they should be able to have an answer for everything. This is your time to practice. This is your time to calibrate. This is your time to be great. This is your time to continue to strive towards what you want to do and have some particular outcome. You know, this is the time, you know, do it now. I would say, you know, count back from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it now. I would urge you, get on YouTube, record something today, get inside your car. A lot of those car videos, those are the ones that go crazy. You know, I'm gonna record a car video at some point too. I manifested a Mercedes Sprinter, so I might do something with that. I'm gonna change up some things here and there. I'm not even saying change up, but I'm gonna start to pivot and add some more to my repertoire of what I'm uploading and things like that. So I'm telling you right now, get on there, upload, because once you get into that mode of recording and uploading, it gets easier and easier. For some people, they can talk to the camera like it's a real person with no problem. Other people, they got to get on here and they got to figure it out and get used to it. Like right now, I'm recording on an iPhone, so my iPhone, I'm actually looking over to the right, but it looks like I'm looking dead in the center of the camera. It took time to get used to that. I'm a person that's about energies, and so I like talking to people face to face because I feed off their energy. And, you know, I bounce back and forth with them like that. But it took me some time to just talk straight to a camera without that energy being reciprocated back to me. But now, see, recording so many videos, I'm in there. I'm doing it, having a good time. And this is one of my first videos that I'm recording for this morning. I'm going to record 2 videos after this. It's just back to back. So you got to get in here and just jump into YouTube, get to it. Even if nobody's watching, you just got to keep posting, get in their schedule. And the key thing too is you got to find some time to record. If you can't do what I did, like what I'm doing, like recording back-to-back videos, find some time to record your videos and stick with that every single day. Okay. So for me, I'm working from home, so I can record videos, and this is part of my work. Since I'm working from home, I can record videos from about 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. You know, and that includes me sitting down to edit the video and upload the videos as well. So you've got to find some dedicated time so that you stay consistent. There's nothing like planning something out, having a vision of A to Z and the end goal, and then just giving up halfway through. I'm gonna tell you all right now, you don't have to give up. Continue, get your plans in place, write it out, get on Google Sheets and just start scheduling. Write down the name of your videos, get them all lined up and figure out what date you're going to schedule them, what day they're going to be posting. And then if you have any video ideas also in their titles, get on Google Sheets and just start writing them out, so that when you sit down to record, you already know the title of the video and what you're going to be talking about. It's like right now, my phone just cut off in the middle of me recording. You know, it's out of storage. So technical difficulties and things like that, they happen sometimes. So what I got to do is, I'm so deep into it now, I just need to go buy a separate iPhone. I'm not buying a new iPhone. I'm going to buy the same iPhone and just dedicate that to recording videos, because I record so many 4K videos that it just takes up so much storage. And so the middle of me recording, it cuts off. But guess what? I'm gonna keep recording. I'm gonna keep this thing going, because the message is timely. People got to hear these messages. And like I said, jump onto YouTube, start recording your videos. You're not gonna regret it. It's going to be something that you're going to look back on and you're gonna be like, man, I'm so glad that I started recording videos when I did. Just start recording your video today. Just press record. Even if you erase a video, just record a video. If you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, erase it. The next day, record another video. Just get used to being on camera and talking. I'm gonna tell you one thing too. So even the audio, even straight through the iPhone, is great. You could start right there. That's how I started off. Now I have a Rode microphone that I plug right into it. You know, drop a comment down if you want me to drop, you know, put down there in the comments what exact Rode microphone that I use. I can do that for you, but drop that down in the comments if you're watching this video. Of course, like, subscribe, share, you know, come back, turn them notifications on. I got so much videos ready to go for you guys to continue to watch, because this message is timely. People need to get their mindsets together, because if you even need your mindset to even start your YouTube channel, you know. So that's what I'm telling you. Just go ahead and do it. I'm empowering you to go ahead and do it. Your mindset is everything. It's from the time you wake up, time you're sleeping, even when you're sleeping, your mindset is at work, your subconscious is at work. So this is what I talk about. If you love what I'm talking about, again, like, share, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on, turn your bell notifications on, and let's keep winning. Fly a kite, be free, keep winning.